What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today I heard that you're looking for a smart backpack. Today we're going to show you what this thing can do by TAJEZZO. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified when there's videos to come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my plot on 130.a. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's show you what the smart backpack can do. Here we go. Let's open this up and show you guys what we get. Look at this. Dare to be. Boom. Let's open this guy up like this. Boom. There you go. Comes with a little sack like this. Now this is a cool unboxing. Some literatures right here. Let's put that on the side for now. The sack right here. Boom. Get rid of that. Ooh. There you go. Look at this backpack right here. Oh yeah, futuristic. In the back right here, little clasp. You got like a normal backpack right there, but it does have a really cool compartment right about here. There you go. And it has a bunch of pockets. This is where you would put your laptop or something like that. Has a few pockets right here. You can access the inside as well from here, which is really cool because then no one will be able to steal stuff from you because it's from behind. It's attached close to your body right there. This one's opens up as well right here. Lots of room over here, right? So you can see here, laptop side right there has a little like bumps right here for cushioning for your iPads or maybe MacBooks. Now let's go ahead and fit some of the stuff here. For example, your MacBook Air M1 right here. Just gonna place it right in there like so. Fits right in. 13-inch MacBook right there, right? And it'll just close like that. And then these stuff right here, if you have any books and whatnot, you can put it in there. Put some clothes in there. We're gonna use this as we travel today, so we're gonna show you what this thing can do. Now this time we went camping and I actually placed all of my gear and I was able to fit it all in this backpack and with actually a little bit more space. As you can see here, it fits very well here and it has this little clasp in the middle to make it easier to keep the straps together. We actually went on a boat ride and I kept the backpack with me. It was easy for me to go into the boat and out of the boat because of the backpack. I find the straps really easy to adjust as well, to clasp the middle strap as well. You can just pull it like that, and I'm a bigger guy as well, so it's easy for me to at least even just pull that. Most of the times you won't be able to reach that with normal backpacks. This one you'll be able to do it. And as you could see in the back, the zipper is away from people stealing your stuff from your backpack, so you don't have to worry about that. On the back as well, it has this little display that displays little colors when you have your phone connected to this backpack. Yes, this backpack is also a Bluetooth speaker. You could turn it on with this controller right here.
Bluetooth connected.
Now you just go to settings and connect this to Bluetooth as normally any speakers would. And as you could see, when you're playing the song, you will have the little lights coming off the backpack. This is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, I was able to pack all my cables and accessories in here, plus the camera and the drone as well. The laptop part of the compartment also has this little cushioning foamy thing to keep it from getting scratched. The inside with the hard shell also has a pouch here for more cables, and this part will actually protect anything that you have in here, especially your photo gears. Now I do wish it has compartments for the lenses and different gears, but that's all right. Now on top of the backpack hard shell part, it has the battery pack right here. It also has the speakers in there. It holds 5000 milliamp hour battery in there so that you can charge your phone, and also this controls the light at the front of the backpack. At the bottom here, it also has a little zipper where you can actually place your phone in there. It also has a cable routed to the battery pack. This is how you would charge the battery as well, with the USB-A. It also comes with a USB-C and a lightning cable. I think one of the best features is that you can open it up all the way like this so that you can get into your gears and whatnot. And as you could see, I was able to fit pretty much every single thing that I want to bring in this trip. I was able to fit all the cables, all the batteries that I needed, and the filters, and also an iPad Pro and a Mac Air M1. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely I would recommend this for everyone who wants to have a Bluetooth speaker and also has a backpack all in one right on your backpack. Basically, it was able to serve me well during my trip, during my camping trip, and all my gears was able to fit in here. I would suggest to put compartments on the hard shell part of this so that it doesn't crush your gears, and also your gears doesn't like roll around in there while you're traveling. But aside from that, everything went well, so that's pretty good. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.